Cargo lift. A cargo lift is similar to an elevator, but it is specifically designed for transporting goods and materials rather than passengers. Unlike a conventional elevator that uses a counterweight system, a cargo lift is often operated by hydraulic jacks installed on both sides of the lift shaft, which raise and lower the cage or platform. This type of lift is intended exclusively for carrying cargo, and people are generally not allowed to ride inside the cage. For safety purposes, the control push buttons are installed outside the lift enclosure, preventing personnel from traveling with the load. Cargo lifts are commonly used in warehouses, factories, distribution centers, and other industrial facilities where materials need to be moved efficiently between different floor levels.
For all to see. You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up.
The cargo lift shall be a hydraulic-type goods lift with dual hydraulic cylinders and without a counterweight system.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night.
The lift shall be designed exclusively for the vertical transportation of cargo and materials, with a rated capacity of not less than 2,000 kilograms. Passenger riding shall be prohibited, and all operating controls shall be located outside the lift cage.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head.
The system shall include overload protection, door interlocks, emergency stop devices, hydraulic safety valves, and automatic floor leveling. The lift structure shall be fabricated from heavy-duty structural steel suitable for industrial warehouse operation.